Rachel with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my gallon water glass dispenser. This has been a wonderful purchase I've made since it gives it so much elegance whenever I have a gathering. I love adding my fruits here where on the tube where it has the little holes. I infuse my water, adding very colorful fruits or herbs. I add it in and I just put the lid on. It'll make wonderful tasting water. And if you don't want to add any infused fruits, you can just add ice on this tube, which has no holes at all. And you add it to keep the beverage cold. I love many things about this is that it has a wide mouth, which allows me to wash it very thoroughly when I'm done. Also, you're gonna see the handle is metal, it's not plastic, which I love because sometimes if you don't know which way to turn, it's so easily to break if it's not metal. So it makes it very durable. And of course, the cute board where you can write down whatever beverage is in here. I love this. This would make a perfect gift. And this has lasted me for over 2 years. The glass is very durable and it makes everything so much cuter. Any drink you pour in here. I love it. And I know you will too. And that is just my point of view.